In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon creator page not loading. If your Patreon creator page is stuck, blank, or just refuses to load properly, don't worry. This is usually caused by browser-related issues such as corrupted cached data, blocked scripts, or extension conflicts. In this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting methods you can try to get the page working again. First, clear your browsing data. Over time, your browser stores temporary files and cookies to help websites load faster. But if that stored data becomes outdated or corrupted, it can actually prevent a site like Patreon from loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy or browsing data section and clear cached files and cookies. If possible, focus on Patreon-related site data, but clearing recent browser data can also help. After that, close the tab, reopen Patreon, and check whether the creator page loads normally. Next, disable your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and similar add-ons can sometimes interfere with Patreon's essential website functions. If an extension blocks part of the page from loading, the creator page may appear broken or never finish loading. Go into your browser's extensions menu and temporarily turn them off, especially anything related to ads, privacy protection, or script filtering. Then refresh the Patreon page and see if that fixes the issue. If it does, you can turn your extensions back on one at a time to identify which one is causing the problem. After that, test the page in incognito or private mode. This is a quick way to check whether the issue is being caused by saved browser data or an extension. Most private browsing windows disable many extensions by default and use a fresh session, which makes this a useful troubleshooting step. Open a new incognito or private window, go to Patreon, and try loading your creator page there. If it works in that mode, the problem is likely tied to your normal browser setup rather than Patreon itself. Finally, switch browsers. If the page still won't load, try opening it in a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes a browser-specific setting, compatibility issue, or internal error can affect how a website loads. Testing another browser helps you quickly confirm whether the issue is isolated to one app. If one of these methods works, you should be able to access your Patreon creator page again without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.